Hey friends,
I'm Mike.
and I'm Karen, and we are the Basketts. Join us as we begin flipping the farm.
Hey everybody.
It is Tuesday, I think, like 5 o'clock on Tuesday. And this is the first time we've been at the farm in how many days?
Let's see. We were gone all day Friday, all day Saturday, all day Sunday, all day Monday, and this is now Tuesday. So almost 5 solid days.
Gone as in working our bumtowskis off. Is that a word?
I don't know. I'll just say honey bow.
At our house.
Yes. Look how skinny I am.
We both?
I mean, she's losing weight. I'm losing weight. We're working hard. We're getting our house ready tomorrow morning, 9 o'clock. I think we've probably already told you that. 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, it's going to get photographed. There's even going to have a drone come over. I mean, fancy stuff. I talked to our realtor today, and I didn't have a chance to tell Karen that because we just now met up over here. But we're not going to have a lot of footage until starting probably Thursday morning. So
Here at the farm.
And so we'll do some mowing and trimming and edging and put up some more walls and get closer and closer to being here all the time.
Sunday night we're doing something really special, so you won't get to see it until the next vlog, which would be vlog 18, I think.
Week 18.
Yeah, so be on the lookout for that. It's just a really cool thing we had an idea for, and we're excited about it. But we just wanted to check in today because it has been a long time since we've worked over here. So,
yeah. Are you going to show them any pictures of our house? Or did you? I can't remember
I didn't. I will.
We did that. Oh, last week. I'm sorry.
Last week. It's been a week.
We showed the landscaping and stuff. So
it's so pretty. Wow.
I need to show you our backyard because we said we were going to take a video. So I think when we get back, Karen will take a video of that, and you can see what we feel is a big selling point of the house, and that's just this beautiful outdoor space for hosting people and just enjoying the beautiful outdoors. So anyway, look for that, and we will
Thursday.
Yeah, I was going to say we will saw you. We'll see you.
We're kind of tired.
We're gonna talk to you and see you on Thursday.
We're gonna go get a Bahama Mama from what's the name of the place? Jamba Juice. Yeah, we're going to Jamba Juice Bahama Mama. Just FYI, Tropical Smoothie Cafe. No. Yeah. Tropical Smoothie Cafe.
No.
Not Jamba Juice.
Not a Jamba Juice.
Got me a Bahama Mama, and what'd you get?
Mango something or another.
Mango something.
Yeah.
They're good.
Yum.
Okay, so today is Wednesday, and something exciting just happened. Boom.
Bam. Wow.
It is officially for sale, and I will give y'all a quick little tour here in just a second. So this has been our home for the last 14 years. We've raised our kids here, just have tried our best to beautify it and make it just super cozy and homey. And Mike's absolute favorite part is the backyard. We have these beautiful, amazing trees, but he's super proud of this gargantuous tree house that he built. And it's really kind of cool because kids from our youth group got to help build it. And we feel like this is just such a great house for entertaining. And we're a little bit sad to leave all of this. But, you know, the farm is going to just be amazing as well. And it's going to be a great place where we get to entertain and host just like we did here, just downsizing a bit when it comes to the living quarters. Here's another look at that tree house. It really is amazing. Unfortunately, our grandbabies won't really ever get to know or see this place. But you guys, we really look forward to creating so many more memories and all the fun blessings that are going to take place over on the farm. And we just really want to continue sharing with you all and letting you see how life plays out for us. We have definitely been blessed over the last 14 years right here in this wonderful neighborhood. Okay, so it is Thursday. We are finally at the farm today. Mike is working on the hardy board. I'm helping him a little bit. And then Rhonda is here, and she has got one heck of an inferno going out here with the big brush pile. And then we've got this little one, old crepe myrtle, burning down as well. But that sucker is probably gonna burn like into the night. So we're really gonna have to keep an eye on that. All right, so we were actually able to get going and finish up on this hardy board on the west side of the house. I know it's taken us forever to do this, but we kind of look at it like when it's sunshiny, we're gonna try to work outside. When it's raining, we're working on the inside. So once again, really happy to have gotten this side complete today. And as you can see here, the back side is still wide open and exposed in the laundry room, mudroom areas. So Mike worked on getting those openings above the soffits filled in. We've done that all throughout the house, all the way around. And then I went ahead and tackled the moisture barrier wrap by myself. Luckily, it was not a super windy day, so it wasn't quite as big of a struggle as it has been in the past. And this was a very small section that was very manageable.
What you doing there, babe?
Covering our bedroom window.
Well, how sweet of you. The reason is, got a little rain in there. We had
I gotta get more screws.
put some spray foam and it kicked the window out a little bit. Not that, you know, it's gonna be any kind of secure, but anyway, she's just making that look a lot nicer. Good job, babe. Got some sawdust cleaned up. How exciting is that? Just a big old pile of sawdust. Rhonda's been sweeping, I've been sweeping, Karen's been sweeping. I came in here, Karen put up our wrap. We're about to put the hardy board on it. I got my plate down there. I got my plate for the top right there. And we've got our first
Here's our pyro.
stud. Here's our pyromaniac.
You need to come look at it. It's amazing.
Ooh, let's go look at this. Wow, wow, wow. Remember, this thing was 6 feet high, 5 feet high, and had massive stumps. So the stumps are slowly getting burned out too, so that's a good thing. We'll have our big bonfire Sunday night. I think Karen mentioned we're gonna do something really special for the house, so you'll have to wait till the following week to learn what that is, but that's pretty cool. Don't you guys just love fires? I love a good fire. I don't know if this will even show up on video or not, but the fire, I got on the tractor a little bit ago and pushed it all into a bigger pile. Hopefully get rid of some of these big stumps, but it is absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna let you listen to just the frogs and the crickets and whatever else is out here. Love the sound of nature.
Okay, you guys, so it is Friday and we got a notification this morning that our first showing is at 11:30. It is like 11:13. Mike and I were just scrambling to get the heck out of Dodge, trying to just, you know, like do the clean sweep kind of thing through the house, make sure it's perfect for the first showing. And then while driving away, I got a notification that we have another showing at 3, and I randomly found $200 cash in one of my old wallets this morning. So it is a great day, and I have Chick-fil-A, and it is not going to end up in the floorboard because I have the sack set properly. And I'm on my way to get my eyebrows and eyelashes beautified by my amazing esthetician daughter. So anyways, I hope everybody else is having a great Friday, and we will be at the farm eventually sometime today if we ever get to go home and change. We'll see. So we finally ended up with about a 20 to 30 minute window where we could go home and change clothes and get over to the farm. And then I was able to start mowing while Mike and our friend Todd worked on this bathroom wall.
So we don't have as much vlog video time this week, so we thought I'd show you. Just built another wall. This is going to be the wall that houses the PEX will run through it. The vents and any of the drains from the sink will actually be in this wall. And then I got my plate, my bottom plate right here. I'm gonna build a wall so that when we put the shower in, we have somewhere to put the Durock. And then this will be my shower out here. Just let the water hit me in the face.
You plan on showering in the spare bathroom a lot?
Sure.
Give me the master bath?
Yeah, I'll be in that one, but maybe I'll be in here. So anyway, just thought I'd share that with you. My friend Todd came and helped me today, and we only were here for a couple hours, but we got a little done. Everybody, whoop whoop. Everybody doing all right?
Hope so. We are.
I'm kind of. I just noticed how wet I am.
Yeah.
Wow! I looked in the.
It's hot.
I am soaking
You're drenched.
wet.
You're drenched.
Wow, did not even know that. Anyway, we've been working, putting that last wall. I think Karen will have that in the video, so you'll see a little wall in the bathroom. My friend Todd came and helped me do that. So
I mowed.
Yep, Karen mowed again.
A little bit.
We get to do that a lot. We've been getting lots of rain around here, so we have a really cool sunny night. We've already mentioned that. You'll learn about that next week. And then the exciting part.
Guys, it is 5:25 on Friday. Sorry, I get really excited. Thrilled. It's very thrilling. Mike said we use the word exciting too much, but our house.
I'm fired up.
Our house started showing this morning at 10:45, 10:30, something like that. We've already received 2 offers, and there are still 2 more showings happening today, and we have just like a small window. We're about to run home, take showers, and get back out. So I told you earlier, we were scrambling this morning. Our clock was wrong. The battery had died, so it almost made us late for our appointments that we had elsewhere. But anyways.
Pretty thrilling. Firing up. Makes your blood pressure rise in a good way. Woo!
So say a little prayer for us that we're kind of homeless next time you watch us in a good way. Now we have this home, and then we have some amazing people from our church that have offered us up to stay at their little guest house if we have to, without a home for a time being. So anyways, exciting. You guys have a absolutely amazingly wonderful weekend, and we will hopefully have incredibly cool news for you next time. Like, subscribe, comment, share, all those fun things. Thanks for watching. Have a great week. Bye-bye. And as always, if you have not yet caught up on our vlog, we would love for you to do so by clicking here. Thanks so much for watching.